Hey guys! Did you know that Mauna Kea is actually taller than Mount Everest when you measure it from base to summit? Yep, that's right. So, how do we even define what the tallest mountain is? Let's dive into this mountain showdown. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're comparing two giants of the mountain world, Mauna Kea and Mount Everest. We're going to break down what makes each of these mountains unique and explore the fascinating debate over what it really means to be the tallest mountain. Are you ready? Let's get into it. So first things first, let's talk about the challenge of measuring mountain height. It's not as straightforward as it sounds. When we look at Mount Everest, it's measured from sea level, which gives it that iconic title of the world's highest mountain. But here's the kicker, Mauna Kea is measured from its base on the ocean floor. If you measure from there, it actually stands at over 33,500 feet tall. That's a whopping 13,796 feet taller than Everest. But why does this matter? Well, it really brings into question what we consider when we talk about height. Is it just about where the peak sits relative to sea level, or do we factor in the entire mountain? This debate is significant because it highlights different perspectives on nature and geography. Now, let's get into the juicy details about these mountains. Mauna Kea is a dormant volcano located on the Big Island of Hawaii. It's not just a mountain, it's a sacred site in Hawaiian culture, deeply revered by the locals. Plus, it has some of the best astronomical observation points in the world due to its high elevation and clear skies. On the other hand, Mount Everest, located in the Himalayas, is part of the natural border between Nepal and the Tibet Autonomous Region of China. It's known for its extreme conditions and has been the ultimate challenge for climbers from all over the world. Each mountain has its own geological story too. Mauna Kea was formed by volcanic activity, while Everest was created through the collision of tectonic plates. These geological features not only shape their physical presence but also their cultural significance and the experiences people have with them. So, here's the moment you've all been waiting for, the surprising conclusion. If we consider the height of each mountain based on different contexts, we can see that Mauna Kea is indeed the tallest mountain in the world when measured from its underwater base. But when we talk about elevation above sea level, Everest holds the title. This means that in one sense, Mauna Kea could be considered the tallest, while in another, Everest earns the crown. It's all about perspective, folks. Depending on how you look at it, each mountain has a valid argument for being the tallest, and that's pretty mind-blowing.